We're now in Ketang area. It's very interesting, and you can see these farmers. The way I understand it is that there's some sport event in Guangzhou, and this car, because it's not registered in Guangzhou, it's not allowed during this time in Guangzhou, so they've come to the rural area, and I guess I'll be catching a bus tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure what the arrangements are. I have to find a hotel tonight, and hopefully we'll be able to visit a few factories. It's been an interesting trip so far. I've put all my money into my credit cards and linked them to WeChat Pay, but not knowing what all the limitations are. I've tried several times to pay suppliers, and every time I've been hampered because of restrictions. Very strict with money laundering, paying people and all that. But it's handy when you want to buy a cold drink or a coffee. I just bought a coffee at one of the stops, and it was so easy. I just scanned it and I could buy my coffee. So this is my room in Ketang.
欢迎入住美兰四季酒店，我是您的智能语音。
Reach you,
您可以使用
and it opens the windows. Freaking amazing.
听音乐、查天气、设闹钟等功能。每次要我做什么，请唤醒我。
And this is the gemstone center.
我要听歌，打开窗帘，我要睡觉了，
A
我要起
huge
床了。
gemstone center. What did I discover so far? I discovered that it's better to bring cash to China because with WeChat payments, if you're an individual, you can only receive small amounts and they can easily block you to pay. Also difficult to draw money from different ATMs. It's not so easy. I learned through this process, and next time we'll do better. This machine, special machine, drills holes through the beads. Wow. So step by step, it picks up. Wow. Okay, it's going to pick up that bead and bring it to phase 1. Sorry. And in phase 1 it's going to go. Okay. And then, okay, then he picks up the second bead, puts it over there. I'm going to go through it. So if you ever wondered how they make holes into beads, this is the way they do it. If you wondered how they get us holes in the beads, are you hungry? You're not hungry.
You're hungry?
I want something small, just small, because I eat very little today. What is small? Just small. Something like just a snack.
This is too big.
Huh?
Humble.
What?
Egg humble.
What is this one? What is this one?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. 5 minutes.
5.
5 minutes.
5 yuan.
Oh, 5 yuan.
5 yuan.
For,
Do you have a cash?
I think so. I have.
Huh?
What is this one? What is this one? This is 20. Wait, that's 20. What is this one? Also 20.
I have a 5 yuan. Huh? 5 yuan. More.
So is it 5 for 1?
5 for 1.
Okay. That's my sandwich.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Yeah, there's something inside. There's a big market, yeah. Which I'll be visiting later. More cheaper, eh?
Yeah.
Than Guangzhou.
Guangzhou, yeah.
Okay. For what? For everything?
Many shops have a factory.
Oh, they've got factories, yeah. Mm.
One shop, one factory.
One shop, one factory.
In Guangzhou, many shops made now have the factory. I mean the factory.
Yeah.
Market. Share the bead. Most specific.
Mm. Mm. He's got some nice tourmaline, huh? Really good tourmaline. Where are we going? Up. Upstairs.
Two or three, I forget. If you can share to the carving, it's a good price.
The what then?
For the carving.
Oh yes, for carving. Because it's a big piece, yeah. Make a nice carving. So Yulon says that each of these shops are like a factory shop,
Yeah, factory shop.
and this is the stuff that they make.